asensemo ya Samburu napaigo kwesanga na abegenwa bensemeyo okwana nigaerera kwigena kwae ase ogosukia Kenya BOSIO nigo Kogikeria abarayi bali bakuruta chinsase ase serikali na kobagania koyekorera Kenya emirimo ase okoyagacha.
We must refuse to continue to be a third world country. And that is why we must do whatever it takes so that we can raise the ambition of our nation and move Kenya to a first world country. And it is doable. Mimi niko na imani. Askofu ametuambia tumuamini Mungu, tujiamini na tuamini taifa letu la Kenya. That is how we are going to move Kenya from a third world country to a first world country. We believe in God, we believe in ourselves, and we believe in our nation. That is how we are going to move Kenya to the next level. Na ndio nawaambia watu wa Samburu, wa Marekani ndio walijenga Marekani. Watu wa Ulaya walijenga nchi yao. Sisi kama wa Kenya ndio tutajenga taifa letu la Kenya. Diocese hii ya Samburu ndio mtajenga Samburu County. The people of Samburu, you must be proud of yourselves. You must believe in God and believe in yourselves and in your ability to build this county. Mukidunisha county yenu, mukidharau county yenu, mukinenea mambo maovu kuhusu county yenu itabaki nyuma. You must speak positively about Samburu County. You must work for Samburu County. You must pray for Samburu County so that Samburu County inuke. And that is what we must do for this nation. I see many people who don't believe in our country. I see many people who are negative about Kenya. I see many people who confess negative things about our country. And I want to tell you, the citizens of Samburu, as I tell the citizens of Kenya, we have a country like no other. We have a great country. We have a blessed nation. We must work for it, believe in God, believe in ourselves, and believe in our country.